Hi YouTube, this is my Hampton Bay industrial ceiling fan. Yeah, it's a really cool fan. I got it at Home Depot for $89. Yeah, it's a really cool fan. So modern looking. I like the style of it. Looks nice. And it's in my bedroom here. It really matches well in my room. And it's a 60-inch. The blades are 60-inch. And yeah, it's a nice size. And notice that the fan came with its own switch. It has 3 speeds. I'm going to start off on low. Right. The fan starts off kind of slow. I use this fan a lot at night because it gets really hot in here in my bedroom here at night. Anyway, yeah, there it goes. It's a very powerful fan, especially when it's on full speed. Yeah. There it is. I'm going to turn it to medium speed. Alright, then I'm going to turn on high. Yep, high now. Alright, this piece is really powerful. Yeah. It blows off a lot of air. This fan sounds like a jet. Probably feel the wind when you watch the video. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to shut it off now. I'm going to slow it down because it takes a real long time for this fan to slow down. Anyway, let me show you the top view of it. Anyway, this is the top view of the fan. Yes, and then notice that there's a tag on the blade holders. It said, "Please this side up." Yeah, here's the canopy right here. Yeah, and the reverse switch is actually inside this housing piece. Yeah. Anyway, YouTube fans, I think that's it. Thanks for watching.